Yeah, welcome to the chat. So right here we are going to look out for the key support areas on these forex pairs. As we know, support and resistance zones, these are the turning points and reversal zones in the market. These are the zones where we have the most rigid buyers and sellers alike. So right here we can see on USD JPY, we can see that for this month of May we have two key support areas. We go to the 4-hour chart to have a closer look. We have three, in fact, no, are they two? Let us be clear. We have two key support areas. This is not part of it. We have two key support areas as the market is currently in a strong downtrend and price is attempting to break this support. Nevertheless, the buyers are maintaining their ground. So right here, this is the first key area we have on the chart, and we also have this key area as well. We also have this key support area, and this is now the month of May. So these are the key areas we have. We have 1 year and 1 year. So when the market opens, we'll see if the sellers will be able to give the buyers a run for their money. So right here we see on USD CHF, let's also look out for the key areas. We have a key support area right here. We have another key support area right here. So we can see that USD CHF is also in a strong downtrend, and so we can see market is retesting this zone from last week, this other block, and this other block is not a strong support. However, when the market opens, we'll see what the market has in stock for us. Right here on USD, on Euro USD, price is in a very strong uptrend, and we have this key support area right here. And you can see last week price formed another strong support. We'll go to the 4 hours to have a closer look. So we have one right here and one right here. You can see price has been creating higher highs, lower highs, and higher highs. On AUD USD, you can see two support areas, not just support areas, two strong support areas. And let's just see how price behaves here. So you can see this area, we have another within this area as well. So we'll see how price behaves within these zones, as price is also in an uptrend. And on AUD JPY, you need to know that these key support areas, most likely the buyers are going to attempt to push price up and establish their dominance. Likewise, the sellers will try their possible best to break these zones. So you can see this support area created right here, as the buyers want to do everything in their power to push price up. Right here on GBP USD, you can see this strong area right here. We have this strong support area in this zone, and last week we also have another strong support area formed here, as the buyers are strong on the Great Britain pound. So you can see these levels 1.31400 and 1.32642. So those are the levels where we have very strong buyers. On NZD USD, We also have these levels where we have the strong buyers. As here we can see from last week at 0.58734 we have very strong buyers, and 0.58468 we have strong buyers within these zones as well. So we'll see what price does in these zones. So do the needful market chart on your own, look out for these zones and see the reaction of price. So right here on low JPY we have one strong support, this level 161.085. At 161.085 we have very strong buyers here. On USD card, on this level we have strong buyers within this zone at 1.37096, where we can see it right here on the weekly, as other supports have been broken, as this is the only support we have. So in a month when you see just one support, then you should know that the pair is very weak on that particular trend. So seeing just one support on USD card, it signifies that the sellers are stronger than the buyers for the month, and for that reason you should be looking out for more buy opportunities than sell opportunities, as it is obvious. However, for instance, on this pair now on gold, as you can see that there are two strong supports, so you can know that the buyers are standing strong for the month. And if you see possibly three supports as gold, you can see on 3003.80 you can see that gold is strong, as it moved from 3119.18 to 3203.80 just in the span of a week, and you can see how gold is moving crazily up. So this is impressive on gold. As you can see that the value of gold is jumping up against the US dollar impulsively. You can see on silver as well, the value of silver is jumping from 31.647 to 32.124. That's also an impressive increase on the value of silver. I can see on GG you can see right here on GG you have a support here, you have another support right here in this zone. So from 190.303 is moved to 191.900 in 2 weeks, maintaining this support, and this support is still holding. So you can see that the buyers of the Great Britain pound are strong. And on this pair, you can see just one support, which is not so good looking. The buyers of the US dollar are not strong for this month. I don't know why, as Trump has been making lots and lots of policies that has rendered the US economy weak. In fact, you can see how the Bitcoin is crazily moving up, and Bitcoin is over $100,000 currently, which is crazy. You can see Bitcoin has printed a new support for this week. We have a support here, we have a support here. On DXY, you can see for this month just one support, and the US dollar is just dipping down. So that is all for that. As always, plan your trade your plan. Most importantly, manage your risk and emotions. If you find this useful, like, share and subscribe. Follow for more.